In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Roblox password. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon. Then click into settings. Make sure to sign into your account too. Now, once we're inside settings, we want to pay attention to the middle of the page here and scroll down. And where it says login methods, it says password, but it's got stars there and it's hidden. Go ahead and click on that little pencil icon to change password. And that password should be already filled in, but we can't view it. But if we click onto that, we can see here we can manage passwords using our Google account. So if you've got this saved in your Google account, we can go ahead and view it. So go ahead and click on manage passwords. Then from here we'd be taken to our Google password manager, and then we can see Roblox. So if I go ahead and click onto Roblox, I'm going to be able to view that password. So I'm inside of that password, so my username, and then I've got my password. So I'm not going to unhide it for obvious reasons. So yeah, that's how to find your lost Roblox password.